Welcome class 4 in your EVS revision class, and you know the chapters that will be Vasvas farm, and a few chapters I have given in e-portal also. This is Vasvas farm, and from market to home, a busy month, Nandita in Mumbai, too much water, too little water, eating together, food and fun, Pochampalli, home and abroad, spicy riddles, and Chuskit goes to school. So these all are the chapters you will get in your exam or in term 2. So first of all we will revise Vasvas farm. Okay, first chapter is Vasvas. Very first chapter is Vasvas farm. So we will let's start Vasvas farm. That is all the question you will get in MCQ form, and 3 alternatives you will get, and you have to give the correct answer. So few questions we will just revise. You go through the chapter and go through your activity book thoroughly, so that you will get all the answers and you will able to give all the answers. Okay, first one is, which are the plants that grow in field and gardens without being dash planted, used and sown? So what it would be? It should be planted, because weeds are the plant that grow in field and garden without being planted. Without being planted they are growing, so it is being planted. Okay, next, dash is used to cut the dried leaves from the top of the onions, and 3 options are khunti, ilich and knife. So the answer is ilich. And the third one is, dash is used to loosen the soil, so it should be khunti. Okay, dash is used to loosen the soil, it should be khunti. Now next question, if we'll see, why do the Vasvas family happy? There are 2 options to see the healthy crops, to see the big and healthy onions, and then last is both of them and none of them. So it should be both of them, because the harvesting was good and onions were big and healthy, isn't it? Now if we'll see from the chapter, then there are 3 these structures are given, so you go through it. To plow the field, which device we use? It is khuriage, because for plowing the field, what it should be? There should be the khuriage. Now the next one is used to loosen the soil. Which device or which tool is used to loosen the soil? It should be, if I give ilich, khunti and khuriage, then it should be what it should be? It should be khunti. Khunti is the device, or khunti is the tool by which we lose the soil. Okay, next one is name the tool which used to cut crops and vegetable. It should be ilich. Okay, so that's all for the Vasvas farm. Only the few questions I have taken, so you can go through the chapter and through the activity book, you will get all the answers. So go through your chapters thoroughly. Next chapter is number 2 chapter is what chapter? From market to home. From market to home. And the if we go through the this chapter, then there are so many questions. First one is, Vaishali's whole family start work at dash in the morning, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock. So it should be, you know, they stood up or they wake up on 3 o'clock at morning and they started their work. Second one is, Vaishali's father gets ready to go to the dash to buy vegetables. There is bazaar, mandi and hotel. So it should not be bazaar, it should be mandi, because bazaar is a local market but mandi is the wholesale market. So they have to bought the things from the mandi. Okay. Now next one is, Chotu goes to bazaar with dash for his babuji and bhaiya, food, tea, medicine. So it should be food, because they when they are they go there very early in the morning. So when Chotu goes to school, that time he just take the food for his bhaiya and babuji. Next one is Vaishali's father tries to sell dash days vegetable first that they do not get rot. So it should be previous day. Okay. Next, only dash hours later family get up again. So it should be 4. So these all are the questions which are important. Next, why do they sprinkle water on the previous day vegetable? So there should be, it is easily be sold, get fresh, and third one is look greener. So it looks fresh. The answer is to look fresh. What type of vegetables are kept aside? Which are fully ripe, which are rotten, and which are not fully ripe. So it should be fully ripe, because rotten vegetables they should have to throw away, and which are unripe it will not sell in the market. So they have not they have to keep them aside. So it is fully ripe. In which case Babuji's regular buyers may buy their vegetables from someone else. So if the vegetables are not good, if he is early in the market and if he is late in the market. So it should be if he is late in the market, because buyers do not get the person, so they get the things from the market. Okay. Now what is the color of these vegetables? So okra, what is the meaning of okra? Okra means bhindi, isn't it? Or dhanosh, you say, lady's finger. So okra's color, what is the color of okra? It is green in color. What is the color of guava? That is green or yellow. Cabbage is green, you know, papaya is yellow and green, and mango is yellow. So okra is a different name, so I emphasize it. Okra is green in color because okra means lady's finger. Okay. Now next one is a busy month. It is a very important chapter. You will get so many questions from here, so go through the chapter very keenly so that you can get all the answers well. Okay, so the first question is, this bird never built its own nest and it lays eggs in the crow's nest. Which bird it should be? So it is a koel. Koel never gives its egg in its own nest, rather it lays eggs in the crow's nest, and crow look after its egg. Okay, next one is, this bird built its nest inside a hole in the trunk of a tree. So beside the woodpecker, this bird also make its nest inside the trunk of a tree. What it should be? It should be coppersmith, isn't it? Okay. Now a sunbird is a bird who used these things to make its nest. So there are so many materials: leaves, twigs, clothes, rags, and spiders web. Second, if I give the option, that should be the barks of the tree, and third one is the leaves. So it should be leaves, twig, and spiders cobweb. Okay. Now this bird builds its nest using leaves. It chews the leaves and makes its nest. Which bird it should be? It should be tailor bird. Okay. Now birds build nests to raise the chicks safely, that hatching from the eggs and keeping them safe from the enemies. And the grown-up chicks leave the nest after hatching from the eggs laid by the birds, and where they go, then they lead their own life, they for the freedom. And next one is just they want to leave their parents. What it should be? They want to lead their own life, isn't it? It is not kind of freedom. They are capable of leading their own life. That's why they leave the nest. Okay. Now dash always swallow their whole food. So it is snakes, lizards, and rats. Which one? You know that it is snakes. Dash of many enemies, human and animals. It should be birds. Okay. Now this bird make its nest high upon the this bird make its nest with twig, roots, wool hair and cotton wool. So it should be Indian robin. It is a match, so you go through the match and see what are the matches. Maybe you will get the question from the match of this kind. Okay, now crow, where it makes anywhere in the house, whereas the sunbird makes its house by twig, dry leaves, bits of tree trunk. So you should know the materials for using the nest of different kind of birds and what kind of nest they use. Okay, where does the quail lay its eggs? So it should be the crow's nest. So these all are the things in the busy month, you should know that. And one more thing, this animal in the last page, you see there are few animals and it is given the way of how they feed themselves. So which animal know the things? Knowing means they just keep knowing on the things to keep their teeth becoming too long, because squirrel and some rodents are there whose teeth everlasting growing, isn't it? They grow their teeth all the time in their throughout their life. So they know their food, that means they give it a jerk, they just they know the things, that means they just give the hit on their teeth, so the development of teeth may be stopped or maybe little bit less, because their teeth is ever growing. So who knows the food? Knowing means just hitting their teeth continuously. So they have to keep knowing on the things to keep their teeth becoming too long. Which one it should be? So all rodents do that. If I'll give some of the examples, like if rat is there and squirrel are there and then snake is there, then what would be the answer? Who is rodent? Squirrel is the rodent, or the rabbit is a rodent, and moles are the rodents. So you have to choose the rodent animal, and you have to choose the answer for the rodents for knowing the food, because only the animals who belong to the rodent family or who are the rodents, they only keep knowing on the food. Okay. Next one is we will go Nandita in the Mumbai. So this is the 17 number chapter, Nandita in the Mumbai. So Nandita came to Mumbai for her dash treatment. Whose treatment? It is her mother's treatment. So father, mother, brother, sister. So it should be mother's treatment. Okay. Next one is Bablu's house had big dash windows. Which window? Iron window, glass window, or steel window? It should be glass window. Now Nandita's mama was asked to dash the house because a big hotel was to be built there. So it should be vacate. Now next one is, why did what does Nandita Mami do? So she was a nurse, she was a domestic helper, she was a homemaker. What it should be? So it should be the domestic helper, because nowadays we don't use the maid word, and instead of maid we use domestic helper. Okay. Why was Nandita's mama worried? Because he has to vacate the house. So related this, you can get the MCQ questions. So go through the short questions also, because maybe we'll get the MCQ question from the short answer type question. Okay. Why did Nandita, her mommy and Seema get up early in the morning? Just to they get up early in the morning. Why? Because to go to toilet, to clean themselves, to fill the water. So what should be the correct option? The correct option is to fill the water. Okay. So from the short questions you will get this type of MCQ. Now you'll see what are the symptoms of diarrhea. So what is the symptoms of diarrhea? You know, it should be, the person should be vomit a lot and the loose motion, these two are the main symptoms of diarrhea. Okay, there is no fever, there is no cough and cold, only vomiting and loose motion. These two are the main symptoms of diarrhea, which if a person is having the diarrhea, that person, what type of things, what is the medicine? Only remedy is to take glucose drip or to water mixed with pinch of salt and a spoonful of sugar. That is the remedy of this diarrhea. Okay, the person has to take, so that that person should not be dehydrated from his or her body. Okay, next one is when Nandita first came to Mumbai, what were the things she was afraid to do? So there were so many things: to see the crowded people, boarding on the bus or lift, higher, look down from the higher place. So maybe one of the correct option you will get, and you have to choose that. Now these all are the question from the text. Mostly the questions will be from the activity book, but from the whatever the questions we have written in the copy, you can get also question from that side, wherever I have given you some of the short answers. Okay, now the too much water and too little water. Sugna saw that there was a dash from the city, it should be visitor. Okay, and Appa told Selva to bring a dash for the guest, a glass of water, cold drink, tea and coffee. So it should be a glass, not a glass of water, it is a cold drink, because there were scarcity of the water. That's why he told Selva to bring a glass of cold drink. Okay, now the dash had water to play and enjoy: garden, field, water park and river. So river is always provided water, but for playing and enjoying there are water parks. So you have to choose the correct option, that is the water park. Now next one is the heard a lot of dash and dash voices from outside the park. So first one is the noises, and third one is the second one is the loud noises. Okay. Now one day Rohan and Reena went to their parents to this place. There are so many options: Meena Bazaar, water park, museum or park. So it should be water park. And the next is, we can see, we should drink this when we have diarrhea and vomiting. So the cold drink, coffee, tea and water. So we should drink lots of water. Okay. Now these all are the answer. What are the symptoms of diarrhea? I have told you. His body having continuous loose motion and vomiting. Okay. Now the next chapter, if we will revise, that is too much water and too little water. We have completed this. Now next chapter is Abdul in the garden will not come, as I previously I told you, but next one is eating together. So we will do eating together. Yes, eating together. Using this in festival of Bihu, children's made bhelagar using this. So grass and bamboo, cement and eat, wood and leaves. So what would be the answer? It should be grass and bamboo. You have to read this summary, okay, because from the summary you will get maybe you will get few of the MCQ questions. So you should go through the summary of this activity book. Now all children up to the elementary school are entitled to dash hot water, clean hot food, clean water and toilet and good uniform. So it should be hot cooked food, because water is available in our country everywhere. So hot cooked food is entitled to the all elementary classes children. Okay. Next one is the children enjoyed their class party on this day. So it should be Saturday. Next, many children in our country are not able to get even one dash cloth, full meal and house every day. What it should be? It should be the full meal. Who advised the class party? Who advised the class party? David advised the class party. Now what did the children do before the midday meal was served? It is singing, praying, and what they have to do? So they have to sit down in a circle. This is the correct answer. They sit in a circle, they make a circle, and then the food is being served. Okay. Next, what are the served in the midday meal? So different kind of foods are being served in different days in a midday meal. Okay. Next one is food and fun. So what is community food? What is community food? Langar is a community food. So you should have to take the langar, because langar means community food where each and every person can eat within this community food. Who will go there, they will get the food, and it is a community food because all sat together to eat and they all are entitled to serve the food, and they are different kinds of work. So it is a community food. Everyone eat together. Some people serve water and some serve food. Now what they have to do in after finishing their food? So they have to keep the plate in the drum. Now the people who eat at last, or who cleans the place and washed utensils. The people who clean the place and washed utensils. So the people who eat at last, they washed the utensils and cleaned the place. Okay. Now who came to meet with Gurnur? So Divya and Swastik came to meet with Gurnur. Okay. Now next one is what did Divya tell them about hostel life? She told what she told. Actually she told she enjoy, maybe the food is not good, but she enjoy eating. So what is the correct option? Enjoying the food along with other children. Okay. Now next one is, we will go through who clean the place and wash the utensil. The persons who eat at last, this is called the who. They washed the place and clean the utensils. What did people do after finishing the langar? They clean the place naturally. And what is langar? Langar is a community food. Understood? So what is langar? You should know that langar is community food. You should know this word. This is the community service or community food. Now we will revise chapter 22. The world in my home is it will not come. This chapter will not come. Home and abroad. So home and abroad, we will revise the home and abroad, and that is, yes, home and abroad. Chittapan had got a job in Dash 5 years ago. America, Abu Dhabi, and Australia. It should be Abu Dhabi. Okay. Next one. Oh, before that, Pochampalli is there. Chapter 23, Pochampalli. So this town is in the Andhra Pradesh, or you can say Pochampalli town is in which state? So it should be in Andhra Pradesh. So Pochampalli town is in state of Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Next, the majority of the family are weavers. So the name is given to the cloth they weave. So which name is given? That is Pochampalli. Pochampalli name is given to the saris, silk saris. Okay. Now Vani and Prasad lived in Dash village. It is Muktapur village. And next one is, the size and number of the dash changes according to the design. So according to the design, the number and the size of the needle are changes. Okay. Next one is, the big shopkeeper gives weavers very dash money for their sari. So very little. Many craftsmen are moving to big cities. What is the reason? Because they get a very little money for their hard work. This is the answer. Which craft is in danger? So Pochampalli craft is in danger. Now next, who are the weavers able to decide the size? Who are the weavers? How are weavers able to decide the size of the needle? According to the design, they decide the number of the needles. What does weaver require before actual weaving? So a lots of hard work. These all are the question from the Pochampalli. Now next one is home and abroad. So Chittappan had got a job in Abu Dhabi. Next one is mountains made up of sand are called this, that is sand dunes. The country around Abu Dhabi are located in a dash area, that is desert area. The dash is the most common fruit that we grow in the desert, that is date. And who decided to make a project on Abu Dhabi? So it should be Malu. Okay, so these all are the answers. And the next one is, what do you understand by sand dunes? That means sand dunes means the mountains of sand. What interesting things Shanta saw from the plane? So she has whatever she has seen. So she saw whatever the things she saw from the plane. So there are so many things, different colored sands and clouds. One option is clouds and different color sand. Second option rivers. Third options different colored soil and water bodies. So what should be the answer? Clouds and different colored sand. Okay, which were the places that Malu saw on the globe? So she saw Abu Dhabi and some other places on the globe. So Kerala, Chennai, Kochi and Abu Dhabi. These are the 4 places emphasizedly she has been seen in the globe. Now, what is the reason behind people covering their head in the Abu Dhabi? Protect themselves from the sun heat. Okay, and there are so many other reasons, but the main reason is to protect themselves from the scorching heat of sun. So they cover their head to protect themselves from the strong heat. Now the next chapter is spicy riddle. So what are the spicy riddle? There are all questions we have completed here. And dash are used to make food hot and spicy, that is red chili. Turmeric is used to dash to heal dash, that should be wounds. Black pepper is dashed to give a sharp and spicy taste. So dipped in water, powdered fine, blended with milk. So it should be powdered fine. Cumin seed is used for adding this to the food. So there are options fragrance, color and good. So the option fragrance will be the correct option. Okay. Now dash is used as a mouth freshener. Cumin, clove or soft. So soft is the correct answer. Dash is used to reduce toothache. That should be the long. Okay, long or clove is the spice which reduces our teeth ache. Now which spice is used for healing wounds? It should be turmeric. Okay, where is jeera used in cooking? So it is especially added and for fragrance. Now which spice is used when the toothache? It should be clove. Okay, so these all are the questions you will get from the this spicy riddle. And what is the color of a small cardamom? That is green. And the last chapter we will revise hurriedly. Chuskit is dash year old who can't dash. So Chuskit is 10 years old girl who cannot walk. Since birth Chuskit couldn't use her what? As she couldn't walk, so it should be leg. Abdul talked about his plan to whom? Headmaster and this person. So it should be teacher. Now children made a small dash across the river. It should be bridge. One group of children started to dash the ground. That is level. Okay. So these all are the question. Why is today special day for the Chuskit? She was going to play, she was going to school, she was going to hospital, and she was going to visit a place. So what is the correct answer? As she was going first to the school, first time she was going to the school, that's why it was a very special day for her. So that is the question. Okay. Now why had Chuskit parents tear in their eyes? Due to happiness, because their dream has been completed. So whatever the dream they have seen about the Chuskit, it has been completed. That's why they were very happy. Okay. Thank you. And go through the chapters thoroughly, and whatever the MCQ questions may be, if you will go through the chapter, you will get it. And activity book, you just go through all the MCQ, fill in the blanks and short questions, because you will get the MCQ from there only. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day, and a very good luck for you, so that you can do well in your exam. Okay. Bye.